Hello dear all, welcome to our channel Smart Indian Model School. Smart Indian Model School present Smart Indian EduFun classes. EduFun online classes includes course studies of playgroup to class 12, emotional and communication skills, happiness classes and DIY activities.
Good morning बच्चों, welcome back to our maths class. Today we are gonna start our exercise 3.2 and in this exercise we are starting from example 1. Example 1 is see figure 3.11 and complete the following statements. You can see these statements. These statements are in the form of FIB, fill in the blanks. So you have to fill these blanks with the help of figure 3.11. So where is it? It is on the next page. Let's have a look of it. Here we have. This is a Cartesian plan or XY plan or coordinate plan. I informed you about, I taught you the names of this plan. So it is also called a Cartesian plan. In Cartesian plan, as you can see that it is OX, it is OY, OX dash. This is OY and this one is OY dash. OX is positive and OY is positive. But OX dash and OY dash are negative axis. This is called origin, as I have already indicated it in the last class. This is the origin and the origin is denoted by O and the coordinate of origin always 0, 0. Now as you can see that we have given some points like B, M, L, S. So what are these points showing? These points are showing their coordinates. For example, if we look at point B, B is connected to 4 and 3. B is connected to 4 on x-axis and is connected to 3 on y-axis. We always write down the x coordinate first and y coordinate after x. So the coordinate of point B are 4, 3. Let's move to this point M. M is connected to -3 and +4. As x dash is here, so -3 will be the x-axis and 4 will be its y-axis point. So the coordinate of M are -3, 4 because we have to write down first x-axis coordinate and then y-axis coordinate. Let's talk about point L. Point L is connected to -5 and -4. It is of x-axis point and it is of y-axis point. So the coordinate of L are -5, -4. Now we have one more point S and S is connected to 3 and -4. So the coordinates of S will be 3 as it is of x coordinate, -4 as -4 is on the y dash axis. So these are the points of these B, M, L and S points. These are the coordinates of these points. Let's see what we have to fill in the blanks. The very first is that the abscissa means x coordinate, coordinate of x, and the ordinate means point of y-axis. The abscissa and the ordinate of the point B are. We need to explain, we need to fill the point of B. Abscissa and ordinate mean the point of x and the point of y. Let's see what are the coordinate of B. The coordinate of B are 4, 3 mean the abscissa is 4 and ordinate is 3. So we will fill 4 and 3 respectively. Hence the coordinates of B are 4, 3. Next is the x coordinate and y coordinate of point M. X coordinate mean abscissa and y coordinate means ordinate. There is only the difference of language, but the thing is same. As they asked about B, they are asking about M, the same. So the point of M are minus 3, 4. Abscissa is minus 3 and ordinate is 4. So x coordinate is minus 3 and y coordinate is 4. Hence the coordinates of M will be minus 3, 4. Right? Next is the x coordinate and the y coordinate of the point L are. The x coordinate and y coordinate of the point L are minus 5, minus 4. So we will write down here minus 5 and minus 4 here. Hence the coordinates of L are minus 5, minus 4. The x coordinate and y coordinate of the point S are 3, minus 4. So we will write down 3 here and minus 4 here, and also the coordinate 3, minus 4 here. So it is a solution of example 1. Now let's do something else. We don't need to do example 2. We will do the exercise 3.2. Exercise 3.2 is starting with some question. Write the answer of each of the following questions. What is the name of horizontal and vertical lines drawn to determine the position of any point in the Cartesian plan? So you have to tell me what is the name of horizontal line and what is the name of vertical line. Horizontal line is called x-axis and vertical line is called y-axis. So the name of these two lines are x-axis and y-axis. What is the name of each part of the plan formed by these two lines? You also have to tell the name of each part which are formed by these two lines. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. So the name of each part of plan formed by these two lines is quadrant. Write the name of the point where these two lines intersect. You have to write the name of this point where these two lines are intersecting to each other. The name of this point is origin. So here is the answer, and question number 2 you have to do on your own. It is your homework. You have to do it yourself and you have to answer of all these parts.
यदि आपको हमारा वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो आगे की वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन प्राप्त करने के लिए कृपया बेल बटन दबाएं और चैनल सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। प्लीज सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल ऑफ एडुफन क्लासेस। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग।